Hey guys, welcome back to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to contract with Facebook customer service, right? So let's go into the Facebook mobile application here. Then you have to click the three lines which is on top right side corner. And after that, you have to scroll a little bit down and here you will find help and support, okay? And basically, if you want to find the customer service, you have to just click on help center, and basically this is the customer support of Facebook. And after that, just click on the visit business center, and here it will load for a few seconds, so just refresh it out. And let me show you. Basically sometime it doesn't work, so you have to just go back once again and click on business help center. And after that, you guys, you have to select your problem, and if you're not satisfied with the answer, just click on the no, and basically just select anything. And here this is very important, just write your problem, and Facebook will contact you in the next 24 hours and they will just try to fix the problem, right? So this is pretty easy guys. If you found this video very helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.